Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. I bet you guys are wondering why my face is like this. Well, we're gonna be testing out these two palettes. These two. This is the This is the Revolution Forever Flawless. They brought out about 4 of them, and I picked up 3, then I returned one because I thought to myself it was, you know, the usual warm tone. I've got a lot of palette that has got that, but these two intrigued me. This is the Optimum and this is the Constellation. This one intrigued me. I really don't want to know what's going on with all of this. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. This is the Constellation. Yeah, I know, beautiful, I know. Then you've got this one, Optimum. Wait, it looks as if it's cool toned. Yeah, but it might be cool toned, but it looks like it's gonna work for me, kind of thing. So me like that. Me like it. So, alright, I'm gonna have one on this side, then one on this side. I've already primed my eyes, so that's gonna make this a lot quicker. I'm thinking which one goes where. Let's get into this video. Ooh. Oh wow, I'm at a loss though. Okay, I'm gonna do something colorful, you know, something I haven't done before, which I don't know. I'm gonna go into Cosmic. Okay, I went into Neptune. I don't know, I think it's a satin, it's not a shimmer. Maybe it is, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna go into Venus. Wait, that's this. Yeah. So I'm gonna go cut my crease and I'll be right back. Okay, I have cut my crease. I'm not sure you guys are seeing this, you know, like I'm not sure if it's reflecting on camera as much as it's reflecting in person. Okay, I'm gonna be going into this shade right here. Okay, I'm gonna be going into, the pink shade I went into was called Dimension. So I'm gonna be going into Celestial. It looks like this. This is it over here. I like that. For some reason the pink is not reflecting the way I want it to reflect. So I'm gonna go back into Venus and just tap that. Mind you, this is a matte shade and it is this reflective. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Optimum palette. I don't know what I'm doing with this one. So I'll be taking this brush and I'm gonna go into Maximum. I'll put that right here. I'm gonna go into the black. It's called Onyx. So I'll alternate between Maximum and Fighter. Actually, I'll put Fighter on the top there. It's blue. Anyways, I'm gonna go cut my crease and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna add Outstanding. So it's pretty much like a white or like a silver. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add this shade called Greatest. Okay, I'm gonna add Maximum. I'll add that just right here. Okay, you guys are gonna tell me what you think. about this look after I'm done. I'm gonna go get my face done, my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. What do you guys think? Looks good. I think it looks good. I don't know which one of them I prefer, but I think I prefer this side. I prefer this side. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do my waterline. I'll do my waterline, and I would call a friend of mine and ask her what she thinks. So you guys stay tuned. Alright, I'm gonna be adding the Revolution. I think this is just the smoky liner. I'm gonna be adding that in my waterline. I'll be adding the purple. Okay, let me go back to the purple. Well, actually, I'll go back to the pink. I'm gonna be doing the exact same thing here. I'll be adding Maximum. I'll add Maximum to my waterline. Then I will add Fighter just below that. Okay. And in my inner corner, I'll be adding Outstanding just right there. For my inner corner on the other eyes, I'll be adding Celestial. Hello guys. So I have done my lower lash line, I've done everything, and I've put some stuff in my inner corners. So anyways, I'm gonna call my friend right now, yeah? I'm gonna ask her which one she prefers. So I'm gonna give her a call. I'm gonna be calling her on video. I would share my screen, but I don't know how to do that. But as soon as I learn, then it'll be pretty easy for me to do that next time.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hiya, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Not too bad. Well, I'm doing a recording right now, and I did these two different eye looks, and I wanted to know, what do you think? Which one do you prefer?
I prefer the pink one. It's very beautiful. Anyway, the two eyes look so cute. I don't even know the one I like, but I love the both.
You think you prefer this one or that one?
Yes.
This
I
one?
prefer the pink one, yes.
Weirdly enough, I prefer this one though. As in, I don't know. Okay, thank you so much. We'll talk later though. Let me get back to it.
Okay.
Bye. Ciao. Okay, my friend said she prefers the pink one, whereas I prefer this one over here. So I don't know. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please leave down your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. If there is anything you want to tell me, my socials are listed in my description below, so you guys can always, like, you know, send me an inbox, DM me, Facebook me, whatever. Even Snapchat, I've got that down there. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed. Remember, I would always remember that, keep living, and keep doing you. Ciao.